Hi and welcome guys to this video. In the previous video we installed OpenSUSE Tumbleweed and we did a simple walkthrough of it. So today I'm gonna set up Tumbleweed, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed the way I would set it up. So first things first, if ever you install an operating system you need to check for updates. So let's go to the updater. So we can either use Yast for it, or we have the package updater. So we have the package updater and we have Yast. Let me see if I start the package updater, what it says. 102 updates available. So now let's go and start up Yast. Put in your password. So, check for online update. Let's see what this is. Nothing. Okay. And if I go for software management, what does it say? It's just the installation. So I thought that we had the online updater and it should check for this software that we need, but it seems there is nothing here to be accepted. So let me just check a couple of things. Okay, because this wasn't up to date, it's probably not going for the correct information. This is good. Let's see what we have now. Checking for updates. No, it doesn't say that it has updates, so it's probably that the OS doesn't have any updates. But the packages do have updates. So first thing first, we install the updates. While it's installing the updates, we can go through the first welcome screen. We already saw it in the installation with the walkthrough, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to install software. Because here the get software is very useful. Let me just go over what we have installed. So the GIMP is installed, Firefox is installed, LibreOffice is installed. VLC I had to install for the media codecs, for a simple scene recorder. But besides that, I need Kdenlive, I need Audacity, I need Kodi, I need OBS Studio. So those are the things that I would like to have installed now. It's very nice. If you go here and get software, you go to the software.opensuse.org.explore. So let's say I wanted to do, I want to install Kdenlive. I type it in here, I do a search. Here, it directly gives me Kdenlive. So I can click on it. And once you have clicked on it, you can install it. So it opens Yast software installer. And I want to install it, so I have to type in my password. And it's installing the software. So this is how easy it is to install software. Of course you can go to the normal installation. But this is just made it so easy to go to a website, click on it and install the software package. Gets all the dependencies directly in the installer, and it just installs everything that's needed. But I will show you the way via Yast as well. But let this finish. I did enable my Wi-Fi, of course, so this is one thing that I did. The software is installed and we click on finish. So this is one way. I can hide it. Windows key or mod key -H hides the window. So that's the same thing as the minimize. And it seems that all the software is installed. I was expecting another screen, but it's already done. So let's go to the Yast. I did get in here and the software repositories, and I clicked here on add. I did community repositories and then next, and then you get the community repositories for Pacman, and that I installed already. No, I want to go back. So here this is the normal repos, but the Pacman is the one that I added as well. So that's very good. So online updater, so we'll go to software management. So we saw the way to do it via the website. So now I'm gonna search for Audacity and do a search. So Audacity is here. I right click on it to install and do an accept. And here it also gives all the dependencies as well. So continue and starts installing. So these are the two ways to install software. So we had checked for updates. We added the software repository. We did the updates for the packages. We added some software. I will install all my other software that I will need later, but now it's okay. Here we have the firewall. So it's probably best to enable the firewall as well. So it's already started to boot, so that's good. So it's auto start. So this is good. Get software, and this is the help screen, so this is all okay. So here are all the things that we set. Now I would like to clean up this a bit. So I'm gonna create a folder for games. It disappeared and it's here. So Mahjong is a game. Lights Off is a game. Mines is a game. So no more games on this screen. The second screen we do have some, but it will pop up. Let's clean up Office. So create an Office folder. Just as simple as drag and drop. So those are the Office applications. So package updater, make a folder of it. What else? So drag this one to games. This one to games. Sudoku. Okay, so those are the games. Software, position. Set as an unnamed folder. So let's make it a software updater. Updates. Rename. So here we are. This looks much better already. Then let's see if Tweak is already installed. Twix is already installed. So I always like a dark theme. A white thing. And the Breeze Dark are most likely better already. Let's go to files. Yeah, they're better, but still not the way I would like it. So we're gonna get some icons. So let's open a terminal. Let's make it a bit bigger. Sudo zipper install arc icon theme. Type in the password. Yes. So that's good. Close out Tweaks. Open Tweaks again. And go to appearance, icons. Let's set it to arc. So that is good. Extensions. What do we have in extensions? We have the desktop icons. It's not enabled. That's good. Application menu. Horizontal workspaces. So you can have horizontal workspaces instead of so now we have to go Control Alt and arrow down. So you can also have it horizontal, so left and right, if you want to. I'm used to the up and down, so that's fine by me. Launch instances, places. No, I don't need places. So the classic Windows workspace indicator. So this is fine by me for now. Probably I will make the changes to my fonts later. Startup applications is fine. Top bar, like said, I would like to have the clock. and I like to have the weak numbers. Windows title bar, this is fine by me. Windows, I would like my Windows in the center. Sorry. And this is fine. So this is ready. We had the software, so this is very nice looking. Go to files now, we have a much better interface here. There are some extensions that I would like to have. Like the do not disturb and the more gestures for your trackpad. Let's see if we can do it via the Just installer. Let's see here, do not disturb. Let's see if it gets the extensions here. GNOME Snel extension, yes. But you cannot install it via this way. Okay. So first we have to go to GNOME extension, GNOME Shell extensions. Probably get the pop-up. Click here to browser installation. Continue with installation. Add. Okay, got it. So that should be fine. Refresh the page. Let's see if we get any other. No. Oh, the user teams is also a very nice one. So let's put that one in. Install. Switch back. Open weather. No. Disk to dock. No. Alternative tab. No. Gestures. Extended gestures. Let's install that one. Do not disturb, we had gestures. I think we did it right. So let's go into tweak again. Tweaks. Appearance. Okay, it doesn't have the show extension, so that's fine. Extensions here. Gestures. 3 fingers, horizontal gesture, toggle overview. Let's go to the next workspace. 3 fingers horizontal. I don't know. Switch workspace, switch workspace. Oh, switch toggle overview. So this is fine. So you have switch workspace, switch workspace. 3 fingers down, 3 fingers up. If I do 3 fingers down, if it would work, but it doesn't seem to at this moment. Probably after reboot it might work. Okay, what else? We can change the wallpaper. What else? Of course, log in with your Firefox account. so everything is synchronized. Your online account for your Evolution email synchronization and calendar synchronization. But this is what I do when we're done with this video. Text editor. So yeah, basically I think when we change the wallpaper, so change background, no, there's nothing installed, so we have to find something nice. So open Firefox and search for let's do something nice. Forest wallpaper, high resolution. So forest wallpaper. Let's get something real nice. I think this is very nice. Yep. Download. Save. Change background. Add a picture. Oh, I didn't replace it yet, so I'm still trying to do my shortcut keys. Let's go to downloads, cut it, go to pictures, new folder, all papers. Let's paste it here. And then right click, set as background. So we now have a nice wallpaper, we have the dark theme, we have the new icon set. We can set my shortcut keys, keyboard shortcuts. Did it not get, or keyboard shortcuts? Okay, didn't get it. Let's open home folder with mod key Shift F for the file browser. Launch a mail client with Windows key M. Is already in use, so mod Shift M, set, launch the web browser, mod F, set, there's a help browser, mod F for Firefox, search is fine. Close window, I always use mod W. And we're gonna add one for the terminal. Mod A. So Windows key T, add. So mod Shift F for the file browser, mod F for Firefox, mod T for my terminal. That's good. Let's set the preferences for my terminal because I find it very small. Profile, Let's go to 130 and let's go to 35. Colors are fine. Scrolling, no scroll bar, no limit. Yes, this is fine. Let me close it again and open a new one. Yes, that's very nice. Let's install big picker zipper. Sudo zipper install NeoFetch. NeoFetch is done. Then edit the .bashrc file, and at the end we enter NeoFetch. Ctrl X, save, yes, and bash file. So if I close it now, Ctrl D, mod D, I get NeoFetch when I open a terminal. So yeah, I might do some extra things like installing ICE, the ICE application from Peppermint for, let's say, something like YouTube or something like that. But yeah, I have all kinds of shortcuts in my Firefox, so that's no problem. But you can do it. So all the software is up to date. We have all the software that we need installed. Yeah, this is the way I like it. This is the way I would work with it. As you can see, the machine is pretty fast. If I go to the settings and we go to details, you can see that we're running GNOME version 3.34.1. I have 8 GB of memory in my system. It's an i5. And we're running OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. So date and time settings are fine. Users is fine. Default applications are also fine. Video, I can choose videos instead of video. Image viewer is fine. So Wi-Fi is connected, Bluetooth, background we did already, notifications, you can enable or disable notifications as you please. Search, where do you want to search, how do you want to search, where do you want to search first. So you can drag and drop them, or you can disable them. If you don't want to search in your contacts or in your documents, you can all disable them. Calculate, I don't need to search in my calculator characters, don't need to search in my clocks, don't need to search in software because I don't use the software, don't use the search. Yeah, this is fine. Universal access online accounts, I will put in my Google account, and if you want to, you can also use your company account. Privacy, screen lock is on, location service is off, camera is on, microphone is on, usage history, contain history for 30 days, so this is nice, and purge the trash, automatically empty the trash, purge temporary files, 14 days. So this is fine by me. Applications, I won't touch it. This is always working fine. Sharing, I don't share my machine. Sound, this is fine. Power, blank screen after 15 minutes. I don't want it to go to blank screen that fast. Network is fine. So I don't have a cable in there, but I do have Wi-Fi. You can set up your VPN connections and your network proxies if you have it. We went to the display. I think we can get a higher settings here. It's a very nice screen, so I can definitely set it to this one. Night light. I want night light on, sunset. Well, a bit less than we have now. Keyboard shortcuts we already did. Mouse and trackpad. Edge scrolling no. Left right, that's fine. Printers, no printers. Color. I think we went through everything here. So this is the way I would set it up myself. Hope you like it. If it went too fast, you can always pause the video. Leave your comments. Subscribe if you already didn't. And enjoy Linux, guys. See you next time. Bye for now.